So I think you are ready with the diyas, right? See, I also have the diyas here with me, different sizes. Show me your diyas now. Show me the diyas which you are having. Wow, that's lovely. Yes. So now what we will do is take white color paint. Take white color paint. And then brush, white paint, brush. If you have a plate or a small bowl, you can use that for mixing. So generally what you should do is, you should give white color first. When you give white color, after that if you give any other color, the color will look bright and it will stay for a long time. So can we start doing it? So you also paint in white color along with your mama. So you paint it like this. See? Start painting like this in white all over. White color.
Tarun Sa, you can also paint, right? Help your mummy. He's busy. You're hungry? Okay, okay.
So you can see here, I'm giving white paint, right? So you can also do that. Both the inside and outside, both with white paint. It's not only for this painting, any other object which you take, and if you feel you need to paint it, always give the base in white color so that the next color which you apply on it will look brighter and it will last longer. Okay. So I hope everyone is doing it. I'm watching it on screen. Yes, Tarun is doing, Kabi is doing, Aradhana is also doing. It's always nice to paint the diyas. We can make a colorful diyas, and this along with the chocolates, you can gift it to your friends and family. This time you do it and you take pictures and share it with me. See, I have finished with the white color paint now. Can you see? I have completed the white color paint. And now it has to dry. Can you see here? This white is ready. Right? So this white is ready. And after this, you can take any color of your choice. Whether it is poster color or acrylic color, anything is fine. Any color of your choice. And as I told already, we will keep the earbuds ready. Right? We are going to keep earbuds also ready. Now, I'm going to use the green color. I'm going to paint my diya green. But how I'm going to paint my diya? I'm going to use my fingers. So you can also go ahead and use your fingers to paint diya. If you want, you can use brush. If you want, you can use your fingers. I love to mess up with my fingers. It's a very good fine motor skill activity too. I have taken some green paint. I'm adding little water. And now I'm going to paint using my finger. See, I have done it. Now I'm going to paint it. Wow. It is quite messy, but it is always fun for children when you allow them to play with their fingers. It is for the development of the sensory skills as well as the fine motor skills. You can do this slowly also if your diya is not dry. Even I have done it now. See? We can paint it entirely. You can paint it like this. The colors which you like, you can go ahead and use it. You can decorate it with stones, stickers, sequins, however you want, you can decorate it. That is your choice. So can you see? I have painted it. Now after it is dried, what you will do? You will decorate it. One second. So can you show your diyas how far you have completed? Yes. Yes, no problem. If the white is not dry, leave it for some time and then let it dry. And now what I'm going to do is bud painting. I told you already, right? Bud painting. With bud, I'm going to decorate it. With the bud, I'm going to decorate it. The reason of using bud and fingers all is keeping the kids in mind. It is to develop their tiny muscles in their fingers. That's the reason I'm using these different techniques with brush, with finger, with buds. so that they will use their tiny muscles of the fingers effectively. And see, you can decorate it as you like with but colors of your choice. My diya is not yet dried, so I'm just showing to you how to do it. But you can do it slowly at home, step by step, after it is dried. See, you can decorate like this. Slowly you can decorate using butt printing. Not only here, even on the sides. So you decorate all this and then you show it to me later. You can share the pictures to us. So you can start doing like this using butt and finger paint. Mine is not yet dry, so you cannot see it. It will be like this. And after which, what you can do is, after all this, you can put a swastik symbol also over there. You can make a swastik symbol. I'll just show you. But you can do it after it is dry. See? You will do like this. And then you will make the markings. My paint is not yet dry, but I'm just showing you the pattern. That's all. But you people do it really slowly, step by step, let it dry. So this is how you will be doing the diya painting. You can also decorate it with stones of your choice. So can I see your diyas? Can I see the diyas? Wow, it's turning out well. I can still see some painting. Yes, Aradhana is also done. Very nice. Very nice. Tarun, Kabi, show me yours. Let me see. Wow, you can give him one more also. And ma'am, you need to unmute, ma'am. You're in mute. Hari sir, unmute all the participants, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Tarun, show me yours. Yes, it's done. Very nice. Kabi, wow, Kabi is also nice. Kabi and Mama are doing together. Very beautiful. Yes, you can do it slowly. You can paint many diyas. Now let us see Aradhana's.
With colors.
Wow, Aradhana is doing it lovely. She always loves to paint. She loves the finger painting. I can see that.
Good children. Good children. Like this.
Superb, Aradhana. Keep doing like this with Mama. Very nice.
Sigma dot dot.
And now I'm going to see Tarun's. Yeah, Tarun. Gonna show me yours. Wow, Tarun is also doing it good. He loves butt printing. I know that. So he's doing that. So let him do it. Even if it is messy, it is fine. That's how kids will learn. So let him do it. Slowly he will learn, because this diya painting is something which is just started for them now as a pre-KG kids, but it will always be there. At least till they reach their 5th, 6th standard, this is always there as an activity. Very nice, very nice. So now can we see what happened to our chocolate? Yeah? So I'll bring the chocolate now. Just a minute.
Mom, chocolate.
Color anything.
Mom, my chocolate.
So ready? Ready for the chocolate? Yes, we'll see the chocolates so that you can also try it. So I'm going to show you the chocolates now.
Ma'am.
I am showing you.
So,
Yeah, can you see? Kabi is so interested to know. Yeah. Okay. Can you see that? Now it is all set. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to wrap it. See, I have chocolate wrapper with me.
Mom, to
Chocolate
Ma'am, he's saying
wrapper.
that it's like peacock's feather.
Oh, thank you. Now you
Kabi is saying that it's like peacock feather.
great. See now, it will come out easily like this. So can you see it? Very simple. And then place it inside. And you just need to pack like this. And your homemade chocolates are ready. So you can give like this to your friends. You can surprise them this time for the Diwali. As simple as that. So how easy it is to make chocolate at home, right? Can you see it? That's all. Very simple. So you can come home. I will give you chocolates.
Okay.
Okay. So did you enjoy the chocolates?
He's telling that he'll come there, ma'am.
Yeah, please come. That's what I said. Please come. Come home and you can eat the chocolates with me.
He's telling nam polama. He's asking nam
வாங்க 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 வீட்டுக்கு வாங்க. Let Kabi come, Tarun, Aradhana, Niti, everyone come home and you can have the chocolate. Yes. Where are you going? So hope you all had a great time today with us. Yes.
சாப்பிடலாம் நம்ம செஞ்சு சாப்பிடலாம்.
So I request now Arun's mummy to say a few words of how he is responding and how is the session.
He's doing good, ma'am.
Others,
Actually,
1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute. Others can just mute. Yes, Aradhana. 1 minute. I'll come. Yes, yes, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
Tarun has improved a lot, ma'am. In the beginning, he never used to like activities. After interacting with you, he started doing bud printing. See how far he has made this diya with bud. Only with bud,
Superb.
it is fresh. So he is
Great,
doing.
great.
He's learning.
Nice to know that. Very happy to know that. Thank you and wish you a very happy Diwali, ma'am. And happy Children's Day to Tarun.
Happy Diwali.
Yeah.
Tarun, say to you, ma'am, happy Diwali.
Thank you, Tarun. Thank you. Now, can I have Aradhana's mom to share her thoughts?
Hello, ma'am. How are you all?
Fine, fine, ma'am. How's Aradhana?
She's fine, ma'am. Doing good.
Missing her
Advance
here.
happy Diwali. Advance happy Diwali to all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Wish you to a very happy Diwali and happy Children's Day to Aradhana.
Say happy Diwali.
Okay.
Okay. Kalpana ma'am,
Thank
how are
you.
you? Kalpana.
So now Kabir's mom,
Say hi.
Kalai
to her.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
very happy, ma'am, that he enjoyed the diya decoration and all very well, his activities. And he's
Yes,
very
again.
interested in the chocolate now. That's what he's speaking. He's telling that we will make it with pista. He like only pista, so he's telling
Yeah,
me
yeah,
to
you
make.
can do it with pista. You can do it with any dry fruits or nuts. It's very simple, ma'am. Very simple.
Actually, this is the second session we are attending, ma'am. Compared to the last session, I think he's okay with this session. Last
Yeah,
session,
yeah.
he did not sit at all because it's first
That
time.
was his first session, but henceforth he will be fine.
But I think for this session, he got improved.
Yes, yes, definitely,
Very
definitely.
interested, ma'am.
Definitely.
And that too, to wear this traditional dress and all, he is very
Yes.
interested. Oh, Sikro, he's getting ready to
Yes.
show you people.
Nice,
So I think
nice.
So I think
Thank you, thank you, ma'am.
last session, this session he got it.
Thank you. Wish you a very happy Diwali, ma'am. To the
Happy
family
Diwali.
also, and happy Children's Day to Kabir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Say happy Diwali.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
So
you.
once again, wish you all a very happy Diwali and very happy
you, ma'am.
Children's Day. Thank you so much for getting
Ma'am,
connected.
Activities are best, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, ma'am. Thank you
She
always.
didn't see that chocolate properly.
What, ma'am?
She didn't see that. She didn't see that chocolate activity properly, ma'am.
He didn't see. Why?
She
What
didn't see
happened?
it. And she was running here and there. No, she didn't completely watch it. I'll make
No
it
problem.
for her.
Yeah, we have the recording now. We'll send it.
I'll send it across to you so that she sees it again. No problem. We'll do that.
And this paper cup activity, he's playing. Still he's playing with this, ma'am.
Nice.
It's very
And
nice.
one more activity also, ma'am, which we will send the video. You can do
Okay.
that slowly because if kids sit now, they'll become more restless. So Kalpana ma'am will send the video. You can try that also. It's a rocket. How
Yes,
to make a
ma'am.
toy rocket.
Playing with this, so it's very enjoyable activity.
Good, good. Let them have fun. So thank you all. Thanks to all the parents. Thank you, Kalpana ma'am. Thank you, Hari sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. So have a
Actually,
great
Karun
time.
will not be interested to wear this traditional dress. I told ma'am will look at you, our friends will also wear. Then he got interested.
Super, super. Very nice. All are in traditional dress today. See, all bangles and nicely dressed. It's all Diwali. So even I'm like happy in my traditional dress. Nice to wear lehenga and all that. No, after a long time.
Yes,
Super.
ma'am.
Yeah.
You're looking very good, ma'am. You're looking
So it's
beautiful.
always nice to be with kids.
Nice bangles, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Nice. Niti is also nice in that pavada chetta. That is what is there for the girls. Aradhana is also so cute in that. So thank you all. And no schedule for the next 2 days. It is Diwali holidays. So have fun. We will start with our regular schedules back from Monday. Thank you all.
Happy Diwali, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. We'll end the session now.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Thank you everyone.
Have a great Diwali, all of you. Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Happy Diwali. Bye. Bye.